Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. Just to let you know that my channel is based on me running my Jtru design business, and I make party decorations as well as gifts for people, and I often film myself working through the week, so feel free to check some of those videos out. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this really cute banner. It's simple to make and you can use any colour ribbons or cardstock and just be creative with it. So without further ado, let's begin. So let's start off by making the flag. So from my Cricut design, I click on shapes and then select the triangle. Just going to flip this vertically and just press unlock and adjust the triangle shape just a little bit. And then lock it up again. Obviously you can skip this step, you don't have to do this. And now I'm going to change it to yellow to represent the gold glitter, and I want the height to be 7.5. And duplicate this triangle to make the second layer, which will be in white. And this layer will be 6 inches in height. I quite like the sizing of this layer. I'll leave it to one side and now work on the circles for the ribbon. So I select the circle and then change this to 0.2 in height. And duplicate the circle and leave this for later. Now select this circle and triangle and click slice. And just remove the unwanted circles. And just making sure to bring the circle to the front and then repeat the same steps again for the right hand side. So now I'm going to bring this white layer to the front and position it, and then select all and duplicate this twice. And for the text, I'll be typing out 1, and the font I am using is called CLN Forever. I'm just going to adjust the size of the letters and change this to yellow, as this will be in gold as well. And just ungroup all the letters and position them on top of the banner just to see how it looks. So I think it looks great and it's time to cut them out. So here I am using the 170 GSM cardstock. You can use something a bit thicker if you like, but I'm just using what I have at home. And a lot of the times I prefer to use the light grip matte. Obviously that is just my preference. And for the setting I will be using cardstock, so let's see how it goes. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to repeat the same step for the other two. So that's all done. I'm just going to leave that to one side for now. And now moving on to the gold layer, just going to adjust some of the letters so that it can all fit into one page. So here I am using the 280 GSM cardstock and the setting is on poster board. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, then please hit the like button down below, as this will help my video reach out to more people and it helps the YouTube algorithm so people can discover my channel and learn something from it. Thank you so much guys. So the first flag and the letters are done, and I will continue to cut the rest of the flags out. So now it's time to just put all the layers together, and I will be using the foam tape. It just gives it a little bit more dimension. You can just use glue and just stick it straight on, but I just don't want it to look too flat. And just carefully place it on top. And now moving on to the letter. What do you think of it so far, guys? Do you like it? Just going to finish off the other two. And I'm just going to use a white string to just thread all the banners through. So this is what the banner looks like, and I will come back to this later. So now moving on to the fabric banner, I have already prepared these ribbons. So the best way to do this is to hang the smallest ribbon up, and then you grab the middle part and just thread the bottom part through. Hopefully you can see this. And just tighten it up a little bit. So let me show you again. You can use any size ribbon you want. I just wanted it to look a bit bigger, so I opted for this size. And it really is quite fun to do. And I just continue this process until I finish all the ribbons. And finally, I'm just going to add this banner just around the middle part. I counted about roughly after the 4th ribbon and just do a knot. And same for the other side. So here is the end result. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and found it really useful. Please do give me a like and please do subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.